Welcome to super cool way to replace safety net on VULY trampoline. Look, this one is done. Tried sewing, didn't work, and now a kid might escape. Not good. Now, new one. First, get rid of shade cover, pull pins and let fall. Next, take out safety net poles, pull back and lift up, and maybe shake like Polaroid picture. Actually, my girlfriend says you shouldn't shake a Polaroid picture, and I believe her because she's super cool and wise and knows these sort of things. Be careful, lower pole will fall on toe if not holding. Upper pole, hammer out plastic bit, no need. New ones on new net. Next, take off skirt. Trampoline skirt, mind in gutter. Next, take rings off springs, put in tiny bucket. No tiny bucket? What are you even doing with your life? Next, lay new safety net on trampoline. Line up entrance with old entrance. Use this bit as guide. Line up with trampoline leg. Next, take off spring. Should be able to use hands because you're strong and I believe in you. Pull old safety net off loop. Put new safety net on this loop. Put spring back on loop. Other way to do this that I found out while I was filming. Take off 2 springs and do 2 at a time. Will make easier to remove old net and push up out of the way. Okay, keep going. Be careful. Make sure to not skip any holes. Always do next hole on next loop. Otherwise, you get to do all of this again for fun. My tip, pull net sideways tight for each loop. Each leg will line up with this strip of material. Now do the rest in fast forward. Zoom, zoom, zoom. All done. Pull old garbage net out of top. Tell it to get out of... Tell it to get out of life and put it in the bin. Now, put all the rest of the trampoline back together. Rings back on, skirt back on, put plastic bits back in top holes, the hole at the top facing outwards. Put bottom pole and top pole back together and straight into slot. Pull back and down to get entire way in. Satisfying thump. Then the rest. Now put in shade cover correctly. And now all done and kids not escape anymore. Go watch TV. Thank you, bye.